Hey guys! So I have taken a small dinner break before I dry my hair because my hair has grown pretty long and it takes me about at least 30 to 40 minutes for all of this to dry, and I just cannot wait that long, so I have to eat something before I dry my hair with you all, and I will show you what all do I put in my hair right after I put that hair mask. So be right back. Already, so almost my hair is about 30% dried. So before it gets completely dried, I want to show you what I put right after I wash my hair. And these three products, oh my god guys, these have changed the way my hair looks completely. All right, so the first one is this, the Olaplex number 6. I mix in a few drops of this number 7 oil. So what I do is, my hair is about mid-length, okay? So it depends on how much of hair you have, the quantity, I meant. So I take about this much is enough. Do not use too much because it will make your hair oily. So this much. And then in it, I take about 4 to 5 drops, okay? Then I mix it in. I have to flip my hair. Then you flip my hair and put it from mid-length to the end, okay? Like this. And then on top of it, I go with this one. This is a brilliant product, you guys. So the reason I got this because I needed something which keeps my hairstyle humidity proof. No matter what I do, whenever I go into a humid place, it just goes down absolutely flat. All right, the way my hair feels after I use this, oh, incredible. It's like shiny glossy glass hair, literally. So I literally put it all over my hair, like completely coat my hair from top to bottom. And I only put this when I know that I will be blow drying my hair, because these products get activated by heat. So if you do not intend to blow dry your hair or to use any kind of heat onto your hair, there is no point using this. So after I spray that, I come back with my pretty blue wet brush and comb it through. Always start from the end of your hair. That way you are not pulling down all the hair if you have knots. And be very gentle while brushing your wet hair, because that is when your hair is the weakest. And if you become really harsh with your brushing, it might cause hair fall. So after I do that, I come back with my Dyson, I don't know what is this one called. This is the dryer, the basic dryer from Dyson. So I use this to just air dry my hair, and then I come back with the Dyson Airwrap, the barrel one. I'll show you guys in a bit, to like do the smoothing and styling, okay? So now my hair is about 85% dry. I switched to this one. This is the Dyson Airwrap. And sorry, there is hair onto this barrel because I have done this before. So I just attached the blow dry barrel onto this. And this is so big, oh my god, pretty big, and it's pretty heavy as well. But this gives me a proper blow dried hair at home. If you guys want to see how I blow dry my hair, like just how to get the salon like blow dry, let me know. I'm gonna do it for you all, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blow dry it and I'm gonna show you the end results. All right. like, if this is not the smoothest, shiniest, damaged hair you've ever seen. Like, it feels so smooth, and today I did not even like put that much of effort to do this blow dry, you know. I'm like, oh, I just love the way my hair feels. It's like, see that? Like that shine, that bounce. Oh, amazing. And I want to end this pamper session with me right here. I really hope this was tiny bit helpful for you while you were stuck at home and you have some time to take care of yourself and your hair and your body. So take care, guys. By taking care, I do not mean just like take care of your outer self. Take care of your inner self as well. That is really important. All right. I really hope you guys stay well, be safe, take care of yourself and your family. I'm gonna see you guys soon. Love you. Stay blessed and beautiful.